Yo guys, welcome to this live backtesting video. In this video I'm gonna backtest the Asia sweep strategy and collect 1 month of data on all pairs. This is a setup that I would not take because we do have a swing low here, but I don't like the fact that we have such a big fair value gap below. We could easily get something like this, so I would just not trade this day on EG. Same for this one. On EU we do have a setup. Yeah, the fact that this one is valid and there also is still a big fair value gap below is because there is a lot more structure in this low. We can see this higher high and then push up, creating this order block. So I would take this one, stops below this low, entry at 3R. So the way I determine my entry is you can see that I have a take profit, stop loss, and then I just look for 3R. So you can see at the risk to reward tool that it's 2.89. If the price action with EU and GU is like quite the same, I really like to take EU over GU, because in this case we can see like the same sort of price action, also this order block, clean structure for value gap. Then I just like to take the trade on EU. So I'm gonna place this order and I'm gonna look for other pairs. GJ is being bearish, but I don't see any clean swing highs to place my stop loss at. So yeah, that's it. Let's take a look at how EU develops. We also have to look at GU to make sure it doesn't get, yeah, as we can see, GU took the high. So this means that the trade gets invalidated on EU as well. So we just remove the order and go for the next day. Let's start with this again. Okay, so I can see a very clean setup here, pretty easy one. We can see this clean swing low with a lot of bullish reaction, leaving this fair value gap. Very clean. Take entry at 3R. So that's one trade. Then on gold, also looking clean. This low. The reason why I take this low is because it already tapped this fair value gap. It respected it and pushed up. So that's why I don't expect something like this to happen. And this entry also overlaps with fair value gaps. So entry goes right here. Then next pair, EU. I really like the fact that we did not sweep this Asia high yet, and of course also not this one. So there's a lot of liquidity for grabs here. So I would take this one. So entry stop loss right here. Take profit right there. Like that. GU, it did sweep the high, so I rather take EU. GJ also, maybe a quite small Asia range, but this could be a potential B setup. I'm not gonna take it here. I'm not gonna place an order, but I'm gonna see how it develops. Now let's see. Yeah, look, it would have been a stop loss. Because this Asia range is pretty small, and also this swing high does not leave a fair value gap. So I think the probabilities are lower then. We got tagged into EU. Gold as well. And EG hit a stop loss. Then my stops on EU would be at break even. Then let's take a look at gold, which also hit stop loss. And we go to the next day. We almost hit TP in the morning. So yeah, we took TP on EU. So that's plus 1R on those trades. So we start over again. So I'm still bullish on EG. We could see this as a good swing low. Target here. Place order. Gold. Do we see anything on gold? Yes, this is a good swing low. But we're gonna need a deep retracement to get us in, which will be quite unlikely. Then EU, we have this one. This swing, don't really like the swing low though. I'm not gonna take this one because you can see this is probably news, and I don't like the structure of this swing low, so I'm gonna take a look at GU. GU the same. Look, it's pretty choppy. I don't want to trade here. GJ looks good to move up. We have this liquidity, a lot of liquidity here. It's a quite small trade. It's quite a small stop loss. I'm still gonna take it. And it was a front run, so we can remove this order. Now let's take a look at the other pairs. EG was also a front run. Gold just got tapped in, and GU, no trades on GU. Gold tapped in. Okay, no management yet. Since we got a good entry and we had 2R, I would place my stops at break even and just hold overnight. Then we go again. EG looking very bullish. Small Asia range, so I don't like this one. Not that clean of a swing low. We do leave a fair value gap, but I don't like the structure behind it. Now let's take a look on gold. Can we see anything? Yeah, we could see this one as a stop loss. But I'm just gonna let the trade run. I'm not gonna put anything else on gold. This one, we're too bullish here. No clean structured lows, so I would avoid this one. GU, quite the same. GJ, we do have some clean structured lows. I would take this one. Yep, this looks good. So this low, leaving for value gaps. Entry around here. So I expect this low to get swept. Tag us in, and then move to the upside. So let's see. Let's take a look at gold. Gold hit TP. Then let's take a look at GJ. Yeah, looks very clean, nice. So as you can see, we sweep the Asia low here. Then we also sweep this liquidity. Trend is quite bullish. We make higher highs. We have this protected stop loss with multiple fair value gaps. This one, yeah, I would just say this one. And we get tagged in and move to take profit. Very clean. And then we also had gold hit TP. Yep. So this was a trade from the day before. Hit TP. Then we have EG. No, nothing on EG. So yeah, we go to the next day. EG, nothing clean. Just avoid this. We have a big fair value gap above. Trend, I would not say it's clear. I wouldn't say we're bearish or bullish. No clean lows or highs, so just avoid it. Then gold still bullish. Can't see any clean lows. You could say this one, but I would not take it as a clean setup. I'm just gonna put it on, but I would not take it on my funded accounts, maybe challenge accounts. So yeah, let's take a look. Then EU. EU bullish. We do have a clean low with a fair value gap. However, this was a news. 930. Ooh, GU is looking cleaner in my opinion, because it's making higher highs while EU is struggling a bit. So I'm gonna take this one on GU. Like this. Then GJ nothing clean, no swing lows. We can see this one as a swing low, but I don't expect price to all the way come back here and then move up. Yeah, gold already hit the swing high, so it's invalidated. No trades here. And then we have GU, which just does not get tagged in, and we hit TP. That's a front run, which is okay. We just remove the order and go for the next day. If we would have taken this on EU, it would have been an overnight hold. Probably would have hit TP the next day. Now let's take a look on EG again. We're looking for shorts here, but the low already got swept, so we can't trade this. Now on gold, we could take this one with this stop loss. This is low as a stop loss, but I don't really like the structure behind it. Maybe this one, but I'm just gonna avoid it, I think. If you're not sure that if you want to take a trade or not, you should just avoid it. You just want to take the high probability setups, so just avoid it then. Then EU still being bullish, no clean swing low. GU already hit the high, so no setups on also on EU, because we already hit the high of GU. And on GJ also we're looking for longs, but the high is already hit, so we just go for the next day. Again, EG already hit the low when we're looking for shorts. Oh, it's CPI. Gold, nothing. Take a look at EU. I would not look for longs here. And it's CPI, so I would just go for the next day. Yeah. EG again, looking for nothing, I think. No clean highs or lows. Trend not that clear. Gold also looking very choppy. Highs taken, nothing for me. EU already took the high and trend is bullish, so nothing. And also GU not. Then we have GJ looking for longs, but I don't like the fact that this Asia low has not been swept yet, so I would also just ignore this one. Now EG again bearish, but the low is already taken. No setups. So no setups again. Let's go to the next day, which is Friday. Nothing. Yeah, it's pretty late, so it doesn't matter that much. Then okay, we have this one EG, but we have this unswept Asia high, so I would not take anything. Then we have gold being bearish, no clean swing high. Yeah, maybe this one, but this fair value gap already has been tapped and moved lower, and it's Friday, so I would not take it. I don't really like the swing high, so I'm just gonna avoid it, since also the overall trend is being bullish. Then GU, nothing. GJ, maybe this one, but this is news, 230, yeah. So I'm just gonna avoid this day. I'm gonna split this video into two parts, so this is the end of part one, and I'll see you guys in the second part.